Ducati has signed their first big name rider for the 2025 season of MXGP, and that is Jeremy Seewer, who has finished second in the championship in 19, 20, 22, and that's currently is fourth in the title chase going into the Spain round, or round in Spain, however you want to say it. The last year he spent at Kawasaki, and before that he was on not Ducati, he was on Yamaha for a very long time. And there's no announcement, or at least at this point, of who the second rider for the team is going to be. But that's not a bad start. That's a very consistent, top running guy who is going to be competitive, and he's not going to be running around in 15th, 20th, just kind of flopping around like a fish. He's going to be up front, top 10, top 5, podium, as long as the bike is competitive. And at least from what we've seen with Lupino and Cairoli in the Italian championships, it should be. This bike should come out and be something good. I mean, they're obviously throwing a lot of money at it, developing racing already, going into MXGP the second year they've already been, or the second year they've been a company, or at least for the off road side of things. But I mean, obviously, for the last few years, Ducati racing has just been super dominant. If you look at Superbikes, MotoGP, they're all over the place. So this is one of those things that they want to make work, want to be competitive, want to be upfront winning, and make show that, hey, we can make just as much of a good bike as the Japanese brands or KTM or anybody else. And we're gonna see how it works. I mean, obviously, we still have a year for that, but it's a good job, or a good thing for Seawer too. This is a 2-year contract. Ta-da! Here you go. You have a year to get used to the bike. You have a second year to hopefully be more competitive. I mean, hopefully the first year is competitive. Also, you don't want to see him kind of just flounder around. But it's not one of those 1 year. You got to put it all on the line and try, or will fail. But I don't know. Hopefully this works out. We'll see who. They obviously they're spending money. They're not going for some small name people. So it's kind of just going to be one of those who they get for a second rider. But if you know that, if you have a rumor about it, whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think of the Seawer signing. Is it good, bad? Do you think they should have gone for somebody else? Or how well do you think the bike's going to do the first year of MXGP? Or how well do you think it's doing now? Are you watching any of the Italian championships? Are you following any of the Cairoli stuff? Whatever. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.